Hi, so you go to lunapic.com, and then once you're on this website, now don't pay attention to that, the www.lunapic. The reality is, if you just type in lunapic.com, it will take you to this page. So the next thing you need to do is upload a picture. So just click on upload, and then you're going to choose a file. So I'm going to choose this picture that I uploaded, and then I'm going to click open. So to come up with the silhouette, just come up to over here to draw, and then find silhouette maker. There you go. So it will automatically pick up the shadows and the dark areas to create the silhouette. Now, obviously, there are certain things on this picture or on the silhouette that you don't want. So you have the capability to actually erase those areas. So you just have to be careful and make sure that you have like a reference to look at, like, the original picture, so that you know exactly what you need to erase. So let's say, for example, I'm going to click erase areas, and this tool will come up. Now, the default is that it goes to the eraser. You can change the tip of the eraser by choosing any one of these squares up here. So I'm just going to leave it at that. It's going to be a little big, but it's a matter of whether how comfortable you are in using that tool or not. So you would like to go smaller if you think that the space is a little too narrow. Okay. And if you have a stylus, it will also be very helpful. So there are certain parts of this picture that have open edges. Now, those are the things that you need to fill in. You cannot have an open edge because otherwise it's not going to look really good on the vinyl. So let me continue erasing other parts of it. You see, this is just the lower part of the picture. It's just part of his shirt, which is not really a part of his picture. I can go ahead and delete all that. So over here, right underneath the ear, you will see that there's a space. Now that needs to be connected. On the upper left, you will see a pencil tool. The pencil tool can be used to connect those edges. Now, if you notice, this is too thick, and what you can do is either click on the back button right here to erase that. You don't need to use the eraser. And then you can choose which pointer you will be comfortable using. So, right here, really, it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not, because the reality is it is a silhouette. And over here in the front of his face, on his forehead, I need to connect that too. And then over here, so the contour needs to be complete. So when you're happy with the sketch, don't forget to click on Apply Changes. And then up here, click on File, and then click on Save Image. You're going to click on the green button that says Save as PNG. All right, and then as you save it, it will automatically download to your computer. And that's it. The next thing you need to do is just upload it to Cricut.